Assalamu alaikum again. This is Palindrome. In this video, I will discuss about a problem from Codeforces, Educational Codeforces round 149. So problem number is D and problem name is bracket coloring. So if I explain the problem statement, it will be like this. You will be given a bracket sequence. You have to color every bracket such that the following condition are met. Which is the condition? The condition are them, right? At first, every bracket is colored into one color, right? For every color, there is at least one bracket color into that color. Okay. For every color, if you write down the sequence of bracket having that color in the order they appear, you will get a beautiful bracket sequence. Okay. If such bracket sequence exists, then if such coloring is exist, then you have to print how many color you have used, minimum number of color you have used, and the corresponding color of this uh, bracket, and otherwise you have to report -1, right? So let's uh, see the example first. First time sample test case. Okay, this is the sample. So you can color, right? Okay, I have to clear one thing, that there you will get a beautiful bracket sequence. What is the beautiful bracket sequence, right? A bracket sequence is beautiful if bracket sequence is already regular, right? Regular means this type of, right, bracket sequence. And otherwise, if you reverse the string, then you will get the regular bracket sequence, right? So let's assume this, right? If you reverse this, it will be here and it will be here, so it is a regular bracket sequence. So in this this is called the regular bracket sequence, right? And it is also beautiful bracket sequence. So you have to say that in how many minimum color you are required, such that your bracket sequence are beautiful, huh? Right? Okay. So let's uh, take this example. So this is, if you take this portion, it will be a regular bracket sequence already, right? One, that means opening bracket, then closing bracket. This is already a beautiful bracket sequence because it is regular, right? If you take this and this will be also a regular bracket sequence if you just reverse them. So it is also a regular bracket sequence, right? So you have to color this all bracket such that for each color bracket will be regular bracket sequence, and you see that if you color them as one, this also one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, that means for color 1 this is a regular bracket sequence, right? And for you can color it as 2. For color 2 this is also a regular bracket sequence because you can reverse it, right? So yeah, in this case answer is this, right? Only 2 colors. Okay, then go into this example. So this is already regular bracket sequence, so you can just color it in one color, right? This is also regular bracket sequence if you reverse it, and this is not possible, right? So from this sample test case you can say that, okay, when my answer is -1, if the number of opening bracket and the number of closing bracket is not equal, then answer is -1, right? Otherwise answer is always possible. Okay, so first of all we will handle this, then think about that when I can color all the bracket in one color, right? See, this is this and this case, right? So if my bracket sequence is already a regular bracket sequence, then my answer is 1 and I can color all the bracket in using colored one, right? Color one, right? Otherwise this, right? So you, how you can check it? It is easy. You can check balanced parenthesis and you can reverse the string and you can again check the balanced parenthesis, right? So it is for uh, when your answer is 1, right? Then we are uh, we are done with color 1, right? Now look onto the when color is 2 or 3, right? So okay, so let's take an example. So yeah, I've written a test case here. So this is the test case. Okay, first of all you count if answer is -1 or not. It is not -1 because opening bracket and number of closing brackets are same. Now look forward, if answer is 1, that means one color is possible. It is not possible because it is not a regular bracket sequence, and if you reverse it, also not a regular bracket sequence, so answer is not 1. What is the answer then? Okay, see, there is a regular bracket sequence, right? So you can color them is 1, right? And you can color rest of them as 1, right? No, you can't do this. Okay, okay, see, this is a regular bracket sequence, right? So you can color them as 1, but you cannot color them as 2, right? Because rest of element, if you color this as 2, this and this and this, so for 2 bracket sequence will be this, this and this and this is not a regular bracket sequence, right? If you reverse it, also not a regular bracket sequence. That means what you have to do there, so what you have to do this, you have to choose such a way such that your uh, sequence is all for every color sequence is beautiful, right? So I have think about that. Okay, I can take a opening bracket, then if I found a regular bracket, that a closing bracket, then I can make a pair, right? All right, so using this concept, I okay, I have just taken this and this because they are opening, then I have taken this, right? Because I can um, make a regular bracket sequence here, right? Then I have again mm, I have again found a bracket opening, then again close, right? So I can make this as a regular bracket sequence, then I have opening, then close, right? Again, then I cannot, I can take this. Why? Okay, let me show you. Okay, I have take a vector, right? I have take a vector. If uh, in this vector I will put index, I will put index of home, opening bracket index, right? So this is not opening bracket, this is not opening bracket, so this is a opening bracket, right? So I will put 0 1 2 here, right? Then again opening bracket, so I will put 3 here. Then this is closing bracket, right? Look, I have a closing bracket and my vector have element 2 and 3. That means in index 2 and 3 have opening bracket, so I can erase one opening bracket from here, right? Okay, I will not push this closing bracket, so I am reach here. I will put 0 1 2 3 4 and 5 here, then again opening bracket 6 here, then closing bracket, so I will just remove this. All right, then 8, then again I have a closing bracket, so I have just removed it, and then again closing bracket, so I have removed this, and then this is a opening bracket, so I will just put it, which is 8 9 10 11, and then there is another opening bracket, so I will put it 12, and then last of all it is 13, which is a close bracket, so I will put it. So I am rest with this 2 and 11, right, which is this, right, 2 and 11, and they are a um, they are a they all are opening bracket for sure, right? So we have done with, so we have rested these two and 3 and 11, right? 0 1 2 3 and 11. See, this is also a rectangular sequence, right? So my observation is that if uh, we have a opening bracket, then we have a closing bracket, in this type of situation we will handle by coloring as 1, right? Makes sense. If we have this type of thing, that means for uh, opening bracket there are no closing bracket, then we will do nothing, right? Because of number of opening bracket and closing bracket same, that means if we are rest with vector like this, 4 opening bracket, then this is for sure that we have a 4 closing bracket also, right, which is appear before than this, right? Because we have taken the closing bracket which is after this bracket, right? So that means it will be like this. That means always we are um, always we can color this bracket as 2 color, right? Maximum 2 color. So how can we implement this, right? So let's take, okay, at first we have take a integer n, which is size of the string. So I've taken this string, and then I have count this, okay, count opening bracket and closing bracket. If they are not same, okay, answer is -1. Then I have checked, okay, our given string is balanced or not. Okay, I have take a I have make a function here balanced. So this is the balance function. I have check is either the string is balanced or not. You can check it, uh, you, but you can check it is yourself. So this is not a big deal to do. Okay, okay, I have checked this string and I have reverse string, which is t, and I have also checked this. For this case answer is 1, right? For this case also answer is 1. Otherwise I have take a vector. If string I is equal opening bracket, then I have just push it. Otherwise, if I have a closing bracket and I have many elements in vector, at least one element vector, then I have just pop this element, right? And I have visited, right, index of closing bracket and index of opening bracket, right? So I've just indicate this, okay, um, like this, right? I've just visit them, right? 1 2 3. So for this 0 1 2 3 4 4, I have visit 4 and and also the vector last element which is 3. I have visit them, right? Because I will color them as 1, right? So yeah, then answer is always 2. If index of I, that means visitor of I is equal 0, that means it is this type of case, this type of case. So in this case answer is 1, otherwise answer is 2. So yeah, that was the solution. Best of luck. Tata.